Good afternoon, children. Children, today let us revise the topic place value. In the previous class, you learned about digits. Digits are symbols used to make a numeral. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are the symbols, are the digits we use in our daily lives. Using these digits, we can make any number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Now we are going to learn about place value. Place value. In mathematics, every digit in a number has a place value. Place value can be defined as a value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. See children, in a number, every digit has a value. നമ്മളൊരു നമ്പർ എഴുതിയാൽ ആ നമ്പറിൽ ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ഉണ്ടാവും. ആ ഡിജിറ്റ്സിൽ ഓരോ ഡിജിറ്റിനും ഓരോ വാല്യൂ ഉണ്ട്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ. പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ ഓൺ ദ ബേസിസ് ഓഫ് ഇറ്റ്സ് പൊസിഷൻ ഇൻ ദ നമ്പർ. ആ നമ്പറിൽ ആ ഡിജിറ്റ് ഏത് പൊസിഷനിലാണ് എന്ന് നോക്കിയിട്ടാണ് അതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ നമ്മൾ പറയുക. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് വാല്യൂ ഈസ് നോൺ ആസ് പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ. Let me explain that, children. Here, the number given is 20. 20. It has two digits, 0 and 2. It is a two-digit number. The given number 20 is a two-digit number. It has two digits, 0 and 2. Clear? Now, let us check its position. 0, start from the right side, children. Right side. നമ്മൾ പൊസിഷൻ നോക്കുമ്പോൾ എപ്പോഴും റൈറ്റിൽ നിന്ന് ലെഫ്റ്റിലോട്ട് പോവാം. ദിസ് ഈസ് റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ് ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഈസ് ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ഫ്രം ഹിയർ. 0 ഈസ് ഇൻ വൺസ് പ്ലേസ്. Starting from the right, the first place is ones. Okay. The second place is tens. 0 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. Clear? So, the value of 0 is 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Okay, because 0 is in ones place, you should multiply that digit by 1 to get the place value. So, since 0 is in ones place, you should multiply 0 by 1. So, the place value of 0 is 0. Okay, then the next place is tens. ഏത് ഡിജിറ്റാണ് ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസിലുള്ളത്? 2. Okay, so you should multiply 2 by ഏത് പ്ലേസ് നെയിം എന്താ? ടെൻസ്. So 10. 2 into 10 is 20. Okay, these are the place values of 0 and 2 in the given numeral 20. Is it clear? So, 20 is a two-digit number. It has 2 and 0. First, you check the place of the digit. 0 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. 0 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. Now, we have to find the place value of 0 and 2. Since 0 is in ones place, multiply 0 by 1. So, the place value of 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. Okay. When we multiply 0 by any number, the answer is always 0. സീറോനെ നമ്മൾ ഏത് നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താലും 0 ആയിരിക്കും നമുക്ക് ആൻസർ കിട്ടുക. ഓക്കെ, നൗ ഫൈൻഡ് ദ പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് 2. സിൻസ് 2 ഈസ് ഇൻ ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസ്, ടെൻസ്, അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ നമുക്കറിയണം നമ്മൾ ഏത് നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണമെന്ന്. ഓക്കെ, ടെൻസ്, അപ്പോൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ബൈ 10. സോ 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Okay, so what is the place value of 2? 20. Place is tens, place value is 20. That is the difference between place and place value. Place, അതിൻ്റെ സ്ഥാനം അല്ലേ? നിങ്ങൾ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഇരിക്കുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഓരോരുത്തർക്കും ഓരോ പ്ലേസ് ഉണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? ചിലവർ ഫസ്റ്റ് ബെഞ്ചിലായിരിക്കും, ചിലവർ സെക്കൻഡ് ബെഞ്ചിലായിരിക്കും. അതുപോലെ ഇവിടെ 20ൽ 0നും 2നും പ്ലേസസ് ഉണ്ട്. 0 ഈസ് ഇൻ വൺസ് പ്ലേസ് ആൻഡ് 2 ഈസ് ഇൻ ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസ്. സോ വൺസ് പ്ലേസിലുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റിനെ 1 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം, ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസിലുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റിനെ 10 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, നൗ ലെറ്റ് us check more examples, children. See children, the question is, what is the place value of 6 in 64? 6 in 64. So first we have to check the place of 6 in 64. 64 is a 2-digit number, isn't it? 2 digits. Which are the digits in 64? 6 and 4. 6 and 4. Okay. Now our next step is find the place of 6. 6 ഏത് പ്ലേസിലാണ് നോക്കാം. Start from the right to left. നമ്മളെപ്പോഴും നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെ പ്ലേസസ് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ റൈറ്റിൽ നിന്ന് ലെഫ്റ്റിലോട്ടാണ് പോകേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, 4 ഈസ് ഇൻ വൺസ് പ്ലേസ്, വൺസ്. 6 ഈസ് ഇൻ ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസ്, ടെൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, as I told you, our place, that is tens, so you should multiply by 10. So 6 into 10 is equal to 60. Okay, so what is the place value of 6? 60. 60. What is the place value of 4? 4 into 1, 4. Clear? Now our next number is 236, 236, which is a 3-digit number. 3-digit number. Which are the digits in 236? 6, 6, 3 and 2. Okay, 6, 3 and 2. Now we have to find the place value of each digit. Place value. Since 6 is in ones place, its place value is 6 into 1, 6. 3 is in tens place. Always start from right to left. 6 is in ones place. So 6 into 1, 6. 3 is in tens place. So 3 into 10, 30. 2 is in hundreds place. 2 into 100, 200. These are the place values of 2, 3 and 6 in the number 236. Since 6 is in the ones place, multiply by 1. So 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 3 is in tens place, multiply by 10. So 3 into 10, 30. 2 is in hundreds place, multiply by 100. So 2 into 100, 200. Okay, these are the place values of 2, 3 and 6 in the given number 236. Okay. Check the next number. The number given is 238. 3-digit number. The digits are 2, 3 and 8. As I told you, start from right to left. 8 is in ones place, ones position. 8 in the position ones ആണ്. So its value is 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Okay. Now where is 3? 3 is in tens place. So multiply by 10. What is 3 into 10? 3 tens are 30. Okay. Then check the next digit. 2. 2 is in hundreds place. Hundreds place. So the value is 2 into 100 is equal to 200. When we are multiplying by 100, first write the given digit and put 2 zeros. That is the easy way. Okay. 2 ine നമ്മൾ 100 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ first you write 2, then put 2 zeros. So these are the place values of the digits in the given number 238. 8 is in ones place, so its value, place value is 8. 3 is in tens place, so its place value is 3 into 10, 30. 2 is in hundreds place, so its place value is 2 into 100, 200. Okay. Now our next number is 4017. 4017. This is a 4-digit number. 4-digit number. The digits are 4017. 4017. Okay. 4-digit number. Then start from right to left. 7 ones place, 1 in tens place, H that is hundreds place 0, then TH is for thousands place. So 7 is in ones place. O stands for ones. Okay. Then 1 is in tens place, T. 0 is in hundreds place, H. 4 is in thousands place, TH. Okay. So since 7 is in ones place, its value is 7 into 1. 7 into 1, 7. Okay. Next, 1 is in tens place. 1. Tens place into 10. So its place value is 10. Okay. Next, 0 is in hundreds place. 0 into 100 is equal to 0. 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Okay. So the place value of 0 is 0. Next, 4 is in thousands place. So to find the place value, you should multiply that digit by 1000. 4 into 1000 is, as I told you, when we are multiplying by 100, you should put 2 zeros. So write the digit first. We are multiplying by 4. 4 ആദ്യം എഴുതുക. Then thousandsile 3 zeros എഴുതുക. So the place value of 4 is 4000. Okay. Children, this is a 4-digit number. The digits are 4017. Since 7 is in ones place, multiply by 1. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 1 is in tens place. 1 into 10, 10. 0 is in hundreds place. 0 into 100, 0. 4 is in thousands place. So its place value is 4 into 1000, 4000. Okay. Let me check one more example. 5468. This is also a 4-digit number. The digits are 5468. 5468. Now check the places. 8 ones place. 8 is in ones place. 6 is in tens place. 4 is in hundreds place. And 5 is in thousands place. Okay. 5 is in thousands place. Now find the place values. 8 ones place. So 8 into 1, 8. 6 tens place. 6 into 10, 60. Then 4 hundreds place. 4 into 100, 400. Write 4 first, then put 2 zeros. 5 in thousands place. 5 into 1000, 5000. Okay. So the places of the digits are 8 in ones place, 6 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place, 5 in thousands place. But the place values are the place value of 8, 8, place value of 6, 60, place value of 4, 400, place value of 5, 5000. Okay. Now in the given numbers, we have to find the value, place value of the underlying digit, underlying number. Okay. 6 numbers are given here. In each number, one digit is underlined. Find the value of the underlined digit. Underlined digit. The first number is 334. 3-digit number. Here 3 is underlined. 3 is underlined. So check the places first. 4 in ones place, 3 in tens place, again 3 in hundreds place. So 3 into 100, 300. Okay, 300 is the place value of the underlined digit here. Next, in this number, it is a 4-digit number, 1567. 1567. 1567. 5 is underlined. Check the places. 7 ones place, 6 tens place, 5 hundreds place. So you should multiply by 100. So 500 is the place value of the underlined digit 5. Okay. Now in this number, first find the places. 7 ones place, 3 tens place. So in 837, 3 into 10. 3 is underlined. So 30 is the place value. 30 is the place value. Okay. Now here, which digit is underlined? The digit 7. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So this is underlined. The digit in the hundreds place. So 4777. This 7 is underlined. So 7 into 100. 100. Hundreds place. So the place value is 700. Okay. Now check the next number. Here 6 is underlined. Ones, tens. So ones, 10. 6 is in tens place. Multiply by 10. 60 is the place value. Okay. Here, this is a 4-digit number. 8 is underlined. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 8 is in tens place. Tens place. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. The place value of 8 is 80. Okay. Children, place value is the value of a digit in a number on the basis of the position in the number. Okay. So it is important that a digit can be same but its value will depend on its position in the number. Same digit ആണെങ്കിലും അതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂസ് ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, I will explain this. That is, a digit can be same but its value will depend on its position in the number. $3,558. It is a 4-digit number. 4-digit number. Okay. Here, this 5 is underlined. 5 is underlined. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Okay. So, to find the value of this 5, you should multiply by 100 since it is in hundreds place. So, its value is 500. Clear? Suppose we are taking this 5. That is the 5 in the tens place. Tens place. Its place value is 5 into 10 is equal to 50. Okay. Here the digit is same 5 but its place value is different. കണ്ടോ, നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഈ ഗിവൺ നമ്പറിൽ 5ൻ്റെ പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂസ് ആണ് കണ്ടത്, ബട്ട് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂസ്. 5 is in tens place, so its place value is 50. The another 5 is in hundreds place, so its place value is 500. Okay. Ada teacher പറഞ്ഞത് a digit can be same but its value will depend on its position in the number. Okay, I will explain one more question. $2,672. Okay, 4-digit number. First, this 2 is underlined. Find the place value of this 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Since it is in ones place. Okay. Now we have to find the place value of this 2. Here 7 is in tens place, 6 in hundreds place and 2 is in thousands place. So this place value of 2 is 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000. Write 2 first, then put 3 zeros. So here also the digits are same, both are 2. But according to their position, their values changed. കണ്ടോ, ഫസ്റ്റ് ഈ 2 വൺസ് പ്ലേസിൽ 2 ആണ് നമ്മൾ എടുത്തത്. So its place value is 2. Then we are taking the 2 in the thousands place. So its place value is 2 into 1000, 2000. Okay. This is very important point, children. So children, today you learn about place value. Place value can be defined as a value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Okay, in a number every digit has a position. According to its position it has a value. Always start from right to left, right to left. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. For a 4-digit number, these are the places. Start from the right. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Okay. Children, watch this video carefully and do the given work in your maths notebook. Copy the notes in your maths notebook and do the homework also in your maths notebook. Children, don't send the notes. You should send the work done, that is homework only. Okay. ഇപ്പോൾ ടീച്ചർ ലൈവ് ക്ലാസ്സസിൽ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ വീഡിയോസ് കണ്ട് അതിൻ്റെ കോൺസെപ്റ്റൊക്കെ മനസ്സിലാക്കിയ ശേഷം ആ സമയത്ത് തന്നെ ആ ഹോംവർക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. വെനെവർ യു ആർ റൈറ്റിംഗ് യു ഷുഡ് റൈറ്റ് ദ ഡേറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, നീറ്റായിട്ട് സ്പെല്ലിംഗ് മിസ്റ്റേക്സ് ഒന്നും ഇല്ലാതെ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ എഴുതണം. Hope you all understood this. Thank you, children.